Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to another episode of Resurrection Motorsports. And today's episode I wanted to go over with you a little issue I'm having with the F-150 and the fix for it. From the little bit of research I did, well, let's be honest, it was like 5 minutes on Google. This seems to be kind of a common problem with these trucks, like the 09 to 15, 16, 17 models, maybe the 18 plus. I don't know, I didn't see a lot of issues with those, but I don't think they're quite old enough to see if they have these issues yet. But the blinker stalk and the windshield wiper speed selector stalk are all on the same stalk, and the chip module on the inside or something with it goes bad, and the windshield wipers stay on all the time. I've gotten to the point where I can finagle it a little bit and I'll get it to go off sometimes, but nothing irritates me more than driving down the road in the middle of the day, sun out like it is today, sunny Florida, and my windshield wipers every 10 seconds going off and on, off and on. It's so irritating, it drives me nuts. So like I said, I did a little Googling, figured out that the stalk is bad, got a new replacement on Amazon. I got here within like 2 days, and we're getting ready to throw that in the truck now. So let me show you guys how to go about doing that. Okay, so we're in the cab here. See the steering wheel, this is the stalk we're talking about. I noticed probably 6 months ago, a couple times I turned it off and it seemed like the windshield wipers didn't go off, and I was like, that's kind of strange. Flipped the switch all the way to full blast, turned it back to off, and it went off no problem. Since it's the rainy season here in Florida, the problem has gotten progressively worse, and now it's to the point where they don't go off at all. So I'm going to address that issue. There's going to be 3 5.5 millimeter bolts that hold this bottom plastic to the top plastic. We'll pull those out. This top piece will pop off. And I believe there's 2 T10 Torx bits that hold the arm into the column itself. I'll show you that once we get into it. Whew, it is scorching today. Actually, happy July 4th. Today is the 4th of July that I'm recording this. So hopefully everybody has their fingers after tonight. If not, leave a comment and I'll pray for you or your family. For sure, because that would suck. This one, I hate adjusting my seat, so I'm just gonna get in here awkwardly until I can. Leave a comment below if you have like electric seats and you just can't stand it when somebody else drives your car and then your seats are completely different area than where they were before. Get this last one right here, loosen it up. I would typically use like an electric screwdriver with a 1/4 inch bit attached to it, but I can't find my actual 1/4 inch bit to use for this. So gonna actually, oh yep, look, I don't know if you could see that or hear it, but the windshield wipers went off as soon as I turned the truck on. Gotta turn it on here and rotate the steering wheel. There we go. Torx bit right here. Probably should turn the truck off before putting the new one in. Kind of not gonna lie, 4th of July in Central Florida is, the Sync 3 is reading 87 degrees outside. Probably feels like 107. Those pesky windshield wipers, this thing's turned off. Ew. Looks like some little bit of electronics grease in there. I don't know, I'm not sure how this fails. This is awfully loose compared to the, I don't know, it's about the same. I don't know why this fails. But there you have it. Exact same part number and everything. Doesn't even look like there's anything wrong with the old one other than it's dirty. As you can see, we got the new nice and smooth operation. Go ahead and I'm gonna turn the truck off. Pretty sure there's still enough connector lube in there to just push that right in there. Oh my goodness. I will take my keys out. Geez, OP. Nice little, again, T10 is the Torx bit that you will need here. Get my head right up in the camera here. See, get this one tightened back down. There we go. I'm pretty sure that's about it, folks. Put these back together. Yep, that side's, oh. Yep, that side's clamped back together. I do believe these are probably the exact same, if not the exact same, extremely similar for the 17 plus 250s and 350s, considering they have the exact same interior. To me, it only makes sense that Ford would have used the same parts just to save money. I don't know how many ugga-duggas this needs, but probably not that many since it's plastic on plastic. So, here we go. Test it out. Oh, look at that. Hopefully you can... Windshield wipers work perfect, and they turn off like they're supposed to. So there you have it, guys. Common problem, super simple solution. Always remember, if you like to see fixes like these and you want to see us work on our other projects, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video, especially if you know somebody that has their windshield wipers on all the time. And don't forget to eat, pray, wrench. We love you guys, and we'll catch you on the next one. See ya.